Mushrooms can be delicious, but some are deadly. Learn how to spot poisonous mushrooms and stay safe in nature. A mushroom has key parts: cap, gills underneath, stem, a ring on the stem, and sometimes a cup-like base called a volva. Watch out for bright colors like red or yellow. These often warn of poisonous mushrooms. White gills are common in toxic mushrooms, while edible ones usually have pink or brown gills. A volva is a cup at the mushroom's base and a ring on the stem. Both can signal danger. The Amanita genus includes deadly mushrooms like the death cap and destroying angel. Avoid them. False morels have wrinkled caps and can be very toxic. Don't mistake them for edible ones. Jack-o'-lantern mushrooms glow in the dark and are poisonous. Stay away from them. Only eat mushrooms you're 100% sure about. Use expert guides or apps when foraging. Symptoms of poisoning include nausea, vomiting, stomach pain, and confusion. Take them seriously. If poisoning is suspected, call emergency services immediately. Don't wait for symptoms to worsen. Stay safe. Never guess mushrooms. Like, share, and subscribe for more life-saving tips.